Swiggy Instamart is giving free gift. Let's see. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. आप कैसे हो? नाला इरकिंगला? कैसे चुटिच्चो? Yes. Today we'll see what's the free gift Swiggy has got for all of us. As you see in the picture, these were some of the purchases I have made on Swiggy Instamart. I have ordered 704 rupees, 704. Swiggy is giving free gift for orders above 699, and this gift differs from order to order, location to location. That means whatever gift I have got, you may not receive the same gift. I'll also tell how you can confirm your free gift after placing order on Swiggy Instamart. If at all your gift is not confirmed, you can cancel the order then and there itself. You have to cancel the order in 15 minutes of time to get refund before the delivery is done. If at all you don't know how to cancel the order on Swiggy Instamart, I'll provide the video in the I button and end screen, and also in description box you can check out my video. Now without any delay, we'll see what's there in the gift wrap. Of course, gift box is not given this time. As you see in the picture, all the gift items are wrapped in a carry bag and it's given by Swiggy. Here comes the first item. It's Munchies, a snack with cheesy onion flavor. This is a sample pack. The price is not mentioned. It's tasty. You can try it once. If any of you are watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. And next comes one more snack, that is ragi chips. You know, this ragi is a millet food that is good for health. These are crunchy, tasty, and it has got a seasoning of tomato flavor. Just tastes like Lay's that we have for potato chips, the Lay's brand, you all know. It's crispy and crunchy. Do taste. The next product we have, as we are heading to summer, you have coconut water here. This costs 60 rupees. This is 300 ml. It's from the company Raw. As you see in the picture, they are very pure and taste just like natural coconut water that we get from the natural fruit coconut. Finally, we have got one more gift item, that is Reborn hangover fix. Of course, most of us don't need this. I need not tell details of this product. You can check out. These are all natural ingredients mix. This costs 100 rupees. Not everyone can take this drink. Please read the instructions before you take. They are clearly mentioned on the product. I'll show you how it looks. As you see in the picture, this is how the drink looks. It's kind of yellowish drink. It's a mix of all natural ingredients, as I said before. It's a mix of turmeric, ginger, mint, and something of that sort. Now let's see how you can place an order on Swiggy Instamart to get free gift. As you see in the picture, you have to go to Swiggy app, click on Instamart. You will see here flat 100 off plus free gift. As you scroll down, you will have all categories of grocery and daily essentials you can check out. You can go to top deals as shown in the picture. You have flash deals here. You can click on that and see what are the deals that are available for you. You can add to cart whatever the products you want. Click on view cart after adding the products to the cart. Now click on apply coupon, and so many coupons are available. You choose any of the coupons over there. Click on make payment. All payment modes are available. To avail more discount or benefit, you can use a grid payment or one card payment. That's it, your order is placed. As you see in the picture, you can click on see all items, and here you'll see gift box being added, a freebie payday delight box, In this way, you can confirm your gift box. As I told in the beginning, if you don't see the gift box added to your order, you can cancel the order in 15 minutes of time after placing the order to get refund. If you don't know how to cancel the order, I have provided a video in the I button and on screen, and also in the description box you can check out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Flying Skies One for more videos and offers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.